Joplin, Missouri was one of the most historic places since 2011. It was a normal day in May 21st, 2011, until weather stations were saying that we're going to have isolated storms on southwestern Missouri, which Joplin is on the southwest of Missouri. If we look at models of the strong tornado, it shows that the strong areas were affected in portions of Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Missouri, and Tennessee, with the highest risk concentrated in central and southern Illinois, western Indiana, and western Kentucky. Surrounding regions in Missouri, Arkansas, and northern Mississippi, the Weather Channel were saying that they were having dark skies, and tomorrow evening Missouri was going to have strong storms with large hail. If you want to hear the Weather Channel, here you go.
Continue to follow possible tornado in central Burnett County near Llano County as well until 8:45. This tornado moving north of Highway 29 towards Burnett and also northwestern Williamson County under a tornado warning until the top of the hour. Possible tornado developing near Andis, or about 11 miles east of Bertram, moving toward the east at 15 miles an hour. Again, we are well to the south of Dallas. We're in the south central part of Texas, where we continue to monitor what's going on here with these tornadoes in Texas. And there's Oklahoma, where we have a tornado watch in effect until midnight, and central Pontotoc County again remains under a tornado warning until about 9:15 Central Time.
Again, we're still watching the risk of severe weather across a good chunk of the Midwest. Here's that live look out of Pontotoc County here in Oklahoma, and you can see the very low clouds. Not seeing any wall cloud or tornado yet, but it definitely does look very turbulent. You have those low-hanging clouds as a sign of how unstable the atmosphere is, and it's not just for tonight. We have the risk of severe weather overnight and also into your Sunday as well. Here's the overnight look. Yeah, Texas, talking San Antonio, Austin. These storms have been mainly off to your west. You're seeing some cloud cover, maybe some light rain showers. Those storms will be heading right across the I-35 corridor, and we already have that risk of reports of tornadoes just south of the Oklahoma City area. So we are not done at all in terms of severe weather. This will continue well past the sunset hour, which is pretty much right now. The sun has been setting over the last half hour across this region, and we're still concerned with severe weather even north into Missouri.
Yeah, Clay County, Missouri, we're looking live now. You can see we're on the go as well. It's really hard to make out now that the sun has gone down. It's very dark outside, but this is another area that we are watching for severe weather. This is Clay County, Missouri, in the northwestern part of the state, and no tornado warnings currently for Missouri. It is actually over eastern Kansas where we currently have the only tornado warning that is going right now.
On this clearer screenshot, it shows a heavy rain on Lincoln, Omaha, and Grand Island, going east onto I-29 and I-80. And then it took it from Lincoln onto Joplin, Missouri. On tomorrow evening, everything was going to change in a few hours. Now this is a 6-in-1 completion of the 2011 Joplin tornado.
That inflow is, in fact, right outside of the KSN studio here in western Joplin. We can kind of see those clouds rotating, and it looks like between Joplin, Iron Gates is going to see that rotation as well. Right now, we don't have reports of a confirmed tornado on the ground, but we do have National Weather Service
in Springfield, Missouri has issued a tornado warning for central Jasper County and north central Newton County, including Joplin, Carl Junction, Webb City, Carterville,
that would appear to be a power flash. That could be from a lightning strike, but
at 5:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm producing a tornado.
Tornado sirens once again going off in Joplin.
Our office says that the tornado is indeed on the ground with a EF4 around 169 miles per hour with wind gusts up to 170 miles per hour. Hazard 170 miles per hour wind gusts and golf-ball-sized hail. Source radar
indicated. This is a very dangerous situation.
Impacts.
We cannot
Gusty winds
stress this
can blow
enough.
around
If you
trimmings
are
and can
in
blow
Joplin,
unsecured
please
objects.
take cover.
Take cover immediately. Protect yourself from flying debris by moving to a basement or storm shelter. If a basement is not available, go to the lowest floor of a sturdy building and take shelter in a small interior room, hallway, closet, or bathroom away from windows.
shelter.
Cover your head and
Now,
neck
looks
with a
like
helmet,
this is a pretty
mattress,
powerful
heavy
tornado.
blankets,
You can see
or
that it was
pillows.
taking out those transformers.
Stay away
it
from
continues
doors,
to push off
windows,
to the east
and exterior
in
walls.
Joplin. A very dangerous
Do not
situation
remain
once
in a
again.
mobile
Very
home or
dangerous
vehicle.
lightning, some very large hail
If
in
possible,
store also.
seek shelter in a substantial
continue
building.
to take cover
Avoid
from
highway
this storm.
overpasses,
We can
as they
see
do
that
not
tornado
provide
on
safe
the ground
protection
from
from
our tower
tornadoes.
cam. We are continuing to
Flying
track
debris
that.
can be deadly, even if the tornado is not directly overhead.
No, it is certainly going
Remain
off.
in your
Caitlin, I'm just
shelter
looking
until
out the
the
door
warning
right
has
now.
expired or
Please
local
do not go
officials announce
outside
that
and
the
try to
danger
track
has
this
passed.
storm, folks. You can't see
Repeating,
anything
the
outside.
National Weather
It
Service
is
in
rain wrapped. This is
Springfield,
a
Missouri has
dangerous,
issued a tornado
dangerous
warning for
situation
central
at this
Jasper
point in
County
time.
and north
We're
central
gonna
Newton
continue
County,
to track
including
this storm
Joplin,
at this point in
Carl
time.
Junction, Webb City,
don't think it's gonna hit our
Carterville,
station.
Duquesne, Dune, and Oronogo. Take cover immediately.
Take shelter anyways.
Yeah, take shelter immediately, folks. If you can hear us, if we are still able to broadcast, you need to take shelter. If you are in western Joplin at this point in time, please continue to... All right, we're off air.
Yeah. We're off air.